Lokesh Jindal, who supports the Congress as well. Here is the main point. Do you think a bit of unease has already started creeping in? I would have expected, given the kind of performance that the Congress had in the assembly elections, Lokesh Jindal, that out of this 17, at least 12 and 13 would go to the Congress. But you are stopping only at 9 seats. Why is that? Could the reason be the kind of things that, Revanth Reddy is saying that, oh, we will give you all of our promises, all of the guarantees we gave you after you make us win Lok Sabha. Why voters didn't vote for you for the Lok Sabha election. They voted for assembly. Now you're not giving them the guarantees.
Well, Padmaja, if you talk about Telangana, along with Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, these were always out of reach for the BJP. Together they constitute 101 seats. And BJP has a miserable track record. It denied special category status to Andhra Pradesh. We had biased Sharmila joining the Congress. And this was a major factor which benefited the Congress in Telangana polls as well. And in Telangana, what happened was BJP, despite putting all its efforts, was not able to get the people's mandate.
Sir, we know all of that. Why are you reinventing the wheel? I am asking you, you won the assembly, you got Y.S. Sharmila. Why are you still stuck at 9 seats? You should be sitting at 15 seats.
Well, the opinion poll that you carried out, the sample...
We don't agree with the opinion poll. Very convenient.
The geographical locations and the entire, manner in which it was carried out.
Sir, when our opinion poll showed that you were forming the government in Telangana, then you were dancing in the aisles. Anyhow, very quickly, JVC Sriram wants to come in. I really must move on to the next stage. JVC Sriram, very quickly.
Yeah, I'll not take much time. I can tell you the vote for in Telangana will be the vote for Modi. BJP will win 7 seats. Congress will get 6 seats. BRS will get 3 seats and MIM will get 1 seat. You can take it in writing. Because where there is an organizational strength of BJP, BJP will win. I can give you even the seats where BJP are winning. And BJP will be the single largest party as far as MPs in Telangana is concerned.
Wait, you are saying how many seats for BJP in Telangana?
7 for BJP, 6 for Congress, 3 for BRS, 1 for MIM.
7 seats you're giving. Quickly tell us, because you're very certain you're saying I can name the seats. Then name them. Which are those 7 seats?
Yeah.
JVC.
Yeah, Karimnagar, Nizamabad, Adilabad, Secunderabad, Chevalla, Malkajgiri and Mahbubnagar. 7 seats I've named for you.
Manoj ji, do you want to respond?
नहीं, देखिए क्या है कि वहां पे
ये 2 और सीट दे रहे हैं.
नहीं, ये बढ़ा रहे हैं. मैंने देखिए वहां पे क्या है कि बीजेपी के साथ सबसे बड़ी मुश्किल क्या है कि वो मुस्लिम वोटों के साथ हिंदू वोटों का जुड़ाव होता है, तो या बीआरएस हो या कांग्रेस हो, ये दोनों जीतते हैं. वहां पे हिंदू वोटों का उस तरह से ध्रुवीकरण नहीं हो पाता. ये पूरी साउथ क्या है, और उसके कारण ये है कि साउथ में जो मुस्लिम शासक थे और वहां पे मंदिरों के जैसे नॉर्थ में डैमेज किया गया था, तो यहाँ पे हिंदुत्व का ज्यादा महत्व रहता है. वहां पे ये कनेक्शन नहीं हो पा रहा है. बीजेपी ने एक धार्मिक भावना के अयोध्या और राम के साथ साउथ को जोड़ने की कोशिश उन्होंने किया है, और मुझे लगता है कि उसी के आधार पर ये अपनी भावना को बता रहे हैं कि इसमें वोट गेन होगा. लेकिन एक सबसे बड़ी समस्या ये है कि अभी मुख्यमंत्री आए हैं, उनके साथ एंटी इनकम्बेंसी काम नहीं करेगा, तो उसका उनको नुकसान होते हुए नहीं दिख रहा है. तो अभी ये कहना कि वो 7 सीट आ जाएंगे, मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा टफ हो रहा है.
Okay, there is a difference between psephologists here. Let have Manoj ji stick to his figure of 5, and JVC is putting his neck out for 7. Matlab a gain of 3 seats for the BJP according to JVC.